Good afternoon, children. I'm making this video to explain you your holiday homework. For class 7th, you have to make a beautiful bookmark for your literature reader, decorate it and write an inspirational quotation by a well-known poet or author. Okay, so I'm showing you few of the images of the bookmark. You can make like this, any of these. Okay, so this is how you have to make, and then you have to put it in your literature reader. Then second question says that you have to prepare a wall hanger. Write 4 quotes by any famous author. It should be neatly written in bold. Please ensure that you use waste material to create the wall hanger. Let it be the best out of waste activity. So you can use the cardboard which are lying for a pretty time, it's not been used, or you can use thermocols for converting it to a wall hanging. Okay, so it must be like somewhat like this. This is how wall hanging should look like. Okay, there are famous sayings of the people written over there along with their names. You can see in the picture, right? So next thing is question number 3. Write a recipe of a tiffin snack which is tasty as well as healthy. Okay, so you can write any of the recipe which you think is tasty and it has a nutritional value. Then question number 4 says read English newspaper daily, write 5 news headlines, then write 5 difficult words, their meanings, and you have to use those words in the sentences of your own. You have to make sentences of any of these 5 words. Okay, it should be written in a separate file. All the holiday homework should be done in a separate file. Okay, and don't write on a A4 size sheet because these are not ruled ones, so you have to draw the lines for writing. So you better buy a file paper where you can write all these things. Okay, so newspaper I used to share in our library group. So if you are not getting anywhere, and many of you must not be having it, so I'm used to share the PDF of newspapers, and it should be only English newspaper. So you have to open the PDF and start reading it, and the old newspapers will also do. It's not mandatory that newspapers should be of same day. If you're not getting any newspaper for the same day, you can use the older ones. Question number 5. 5th of June is Environment Day. Celebrate this day by planting a sapling. Take a photograph and paste it in your holiday homework notebook. If you are not able to get your photographs printed, so you can take out the picture of your photograph from the printer as well. It's not mandatory that you get your pictures done from a Photoshop. Okay, so you can take out a simple printout and you can paste that as well, and write a paragraph on how I celebrated the Environment Day within 150 words. So this is all your English homework, and if in case you're coming with any difficulty, any problem, you can always WhatsApp me and ask me your queries. Okay, thank you.